Another great day at JJB Improvements and 3S. So Chris has been working on setting up the robot, so he learned how to program it. And this is the first product we're going to move on to robot welding. So it always was quite a difficult product to weld, and there was a lot of finishing after, so grinding, clearing off the splatter, which is one of them things unfortunately with this. But now it welds so premium, that's the outside, and even the next photo shows the inside. It comes out fantastic. So yeah, great job, great improvement. Sam with before and after on the sealing machine, looks premium. Here's, you can see there's a little bit of dirt there, but it was quite dirty in real life. And there's after, great job. Alex before and after, clearing your desktop. Nice work. Great job Stuart, improving the press brake. The black lines are where some components hit it. So now it's got some metal plates to protect the oil tank. Great job. Jake made a really good visual guide to Kanbans, and Josh eliminating some over processing on the oven builds. So we changed the design slightly. Patrick clearing up some leaked water from the fridge, great job. And also the packing team in the warehouse continuing on the tidy, getting to look premium, great job. And Mark labelling the rest of the rack